This is essentially the brains of the operation, as I mentioned earlier, right? If you go to the next slide, yep, thank you. After the Celona ran and the edge are installed, they are activated and configured by the cloud-hosted Celona orchestrator all automatically. And the orchestrator allows for traditional network operations that you're all used to, such as zero-touch provisioning, multi-tenant management. We provide all the network management and device management tools, which includes the SIM provisioning. And honestly, this is quite innovative as for a LTE and 5G solution, but given you're all very familiar with the enterprise Wi-Fi, this may not really sound very exciting. However, another really important aspect of the orchestrator is this AI-powered policy automation. I really want to highlight this. And this really helps in optimizing the network resources and automating all of that operation. So the whole operation is really centered around the applications and the associated microslices. Orchestrator is where device groups and applications are assigned to different microslices. And we provide the ability to configure specific SLAs for each microslice, including, again, packet latency, packet error rate, and bandwidth SLAs. And also we provide the ability to monitor not only the network stats, but also closely monitor the KPIs for different microslices, and the network takes appropriate actions for all of those things. And when you really think about that, right, think about the mobile network operator, which has tens of engineers configuring the LTE networks today. What we do is we really automate this whole process. We essentially leverage AI for this goal in a significant way. And in full transparency, we are in the initial stages of this, and we are enabling things such as initial configurations of the microslices in the beginning, but we also have all the telemetry in place for continuous learning of all these parameters across different deployments and applications, and then making use of this data to help for future deployments with those applications, right? So it's kind of an ongoing learning loop, which we already established in place. And as the deployments get more widely deployed, you will see all of those things giving the fruits. We're running out of time. So just want to highlight that before we show the orchestrator live with our UI, it's important to highlight that this infrastructure that I mentioned can be leveraged using the Celona APIs instead of the orchestrator that you will see. Everything in our solution is designed with API-first mentality. For example, the deployment of a private LTE 5G network, customers can streamline the process from the order to the deployment. They can basically automate by writing a script for provisioning and deployment using these APIs. The same goes for operation of the Celona infrastructure. Customers can use our APIs to automate the configuration of new devices, new device groups, new microslices for many sites. We are looking forward to seeing enterprise IT organizations and managed service providers to take full advantage of this.